In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust text transparency in Canva. If you want to make your text look softer, blend it more smoothly into your design, or create a layered visual effect, changing the transparency is a simple and very useful tool. This can help when your text feels too strong, too distracting, or when you want it to sit more naturally over an image, background color, or graphic element. To get started, open your Canva design. Make sure you're inside the project where you want to edit the text. This could be a social media post, presentation slide, flyer, thumbnail, or any other type of design. Once your design is open, take a quick look at the page and find the text you want to change. Next, add or select your text. If the text is already in your design, just click on it so Canva knows that's the element you want to edit. If you still need to place text into the design, add your text first and then select it. It's important that the text box is active because the editing tools only appear when the correct element is selected. After that, look for transparency in the top toolbar. Once your text is selected, the toolbar at the top of the Canva editor will show different options related to that text. Find the transparency control there. In some layouts, it may appear as an icon rather than a word, so take a moment to scan the toolbar carefully if you don't see it right away. Now adjust the transparency level. When you open the transparency control, you'll see a slider or percentage setting. Lowering the transparency makes the text more see-through, which creates a lighter and more subtle look. Increasing it makes the text more solid and easier to read. Move the slider gradually until the text looks the way you want. As you adjust it, keep readability in mind. If the text is too transparent, it may become hard to see, especially on busy backgrounds. A good approach is to find a balance between style and clarity so your design still communicates effectively. Once you're happy with the result, you can continue editing the rest of your design as needed. That's all it takes to change text transparency in Canva. It's a quick adjustment, but it can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of your design.